technology is just a tool in terms of getting the kids to work together and motivating them. The teacher is most important. Great teachers have high expectations for their students, but higher expectations for themselves. Teachers encourage minds to think, hands to create, and hearts to love. Better than 1,000 days of diligent study is one day with a great teacher. The duties of a teacher are neither few nor small, but they elevate the character. A teacher's job is to make a bunch of words and see that they are well grounded. It's the teachers that makes the difference, not the classroom. A teacher is a compass that activates the magnets of curiosity, knowledge, and wisdom in peoples.